Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a knee. So this is our knee. So I'm just showing this from one angle. So we'll just put a circle in, a line. This is where the knee will be placed. That is a part of the upper leg. So it's a quick exercise, so we'll begin. So depending on what shape of the leg you intend to put in, because there's like bulky, thin, very athletic, very fit. So we'll just do something that is, as usual, a medium in between. So that is part of the quad right there, and we will just lay out the calf area and a part of the shin bone area. So that is the general shape of the leg. So this is if you have already you've already guessed that this is the right leg as we are looking at it. So now comes the star of our exercise today, and that is the knee. So I'm placing it, I'm going to make that a little more bulky here. So I'm placing the knee right around here. So if you just go, it's very simple when it's a straightforward, just like standing pose. So I'm doing two U shapes, kind of like that. Now it can differ a little bit with the person, with the amount of muscle or the fat a person has, but this is the general idea. So there's a compression, and that's the first one, that's the second one, and then there's again, depending on the anatomy of the person's unique build, there will be some sort of indent right here just above the calf. I'm going to bring that calf a little higher because I've just made it from a tall design into a shorter one. So, and we can change things as we go, but that is the idea. So we've already, in a few seconds, well, this took a few seconds, we've already put down the knee. So it's just two U shapes. But now how you give it a little definition is, let's say that there's a light source coming right from above. So there's a little, so again, the general idea there is that anything that is away from the light is going to be a shadow. So this lower part of the leg, the outer part, but which is also going like inward like that, and there's a bulge right here, will be in shadow, most definitely around the knee, depending on how sharp the bone is sticking out for any particular leg. There will be a shadow. There will be a shadow going down there, a shadow right under here, which I already put in while I was putting that little bit of anatomy in place. Little shadow there, and a little shadow there for that side of the quad. But now the knee itself, so what we can do is go around like this and put in a little tone right there, and then just go like that, like a wave sort of thing, and put in a little tone right there, and then right around it we can put in a bit of dark tone as well, depending on how intense the light source is and how much of a bone structure that knee is packing. But that is the idea. So if I were to smudge it a little bit, you'll see that it will blend in nicely and somewhat give us the impression of a knee. So that is the quick idea behind putting down a knee in sketch. We will be doing other angles as well, like bent and some foreshortening on a knee. So please keep in touch. Do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.